Hello guys. In this video you're going to see how to use normal VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP function is very important in Microsoft Excel and is just used to connect our data either from one sheet to another sheet, one workbook to another workbook, one cell to another cell. And here you see having examples, and today we're just going to see only normal VLOOKUP. But next video is just to see how we can just use VLOOKUP to one sheet to another sheet, or one workbook to another workbook. Here you see have names and have score word. Here just these are all the score words that they are just scored in chemistry, mathematics, physics, geography, economics, entrepreneurship, and history. And here is the first name, and here we have other names down. Maybe you may have a very big list of data, and you just want to extract some data, and you just maybe you just want to know the marks or the score of this person and in a given subject. Maybe you just don't have time to go and scroll and just check. Maybe the list is very big. It's just a wrong list. And now how to do it? You can just get the score of everybody here you want. You can pick someone you want. Yeah, these are the names that I've just typed here. But you can just type other names, but they must be on this list. And let me, for example, start with Justin. I just want to know the score, the marks of Justin in entrepreneurship. Suppose I don't know what is here. I don't know what is here on this list. To do this, I just need to introduce VLOOKUP function, equal sign VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, you can see it here. And here, as you see, you can see. To continue here, you see there is VLOOKUP lookup value. What is the value that you're just looking up? The value that I just looking here, it is Justin. And table array. The table array, it is this one. This is the table where I can just find Justin. And apart from this table array, you just have a column indexed. Column index number. You can see here column index number. And what is the column index number? As you see here, I have different columns, but you just need to count. You need to count depending on depending on where you have for this table of data. You can see here, for example, I may just add another column. It doesn't matter. Let me just clean this. I'll just use it later. Here you just need to count. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6, then 7 and 8. You see you have 8 columns. You see I put numbers here, but it doesn't matter. I can even just remove the numbers. And the numbers here are not because I just have started from 1 here. I can even just have this. I can insert other columns. You can see I can even put the 2 columns. But while just counting the numbers, the column number, I will just need to count 1 from here. I'm not just counting from column 1 or column A. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is how you count, and this is in the column number. Now let me just go again with my formula. This is a VLOOKUP. Double click table. Now lookup value. It is Justin. This is Justin that I'm just looking. Where in the table array I put a comma here, and I select from here. This is the table array. I can select the whole table or the whole data here. And then you see what I have here. I just have from D3 to K29. This is the table array. And here I can just select. Let me select here and just place F4 to put $sign. It rock the formula because we just need to scroll down. And now you can see what I have here. Let me just now Control Z. You can see what I have here. It is locket. I put a comma. And now here there is column index number. Lookup value, table array, column index number. What about column index number? This is the numbers that we come to count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I put the number of the column here. The number here, entrepreneurship, is in the column 7. It is 7. Here I put 7, and I put comma. And now you see here there is a true approximate match. Yeah, this is the index match. And here I need to put 0 for exact match, and all 1 for false. And this is I don't need false. I just need a true approximate match. Here I put 0. You always put 0 for exact match. And here hit enter. You see here it is 50. Let me just go and see Justin. Here is Justin. You can see Justin here. Entrepreneurship. This one has 50. Guys, you see how it is very important. If I just need another subject, maybe it is mathematics. This is maths. If it is maths or mathematics, I just have to count. This is column 1, 2, column 1 here, column 2, column 3. Mathematics in column 3. I just go back to, here in my formula, and I just remove 7, and I put 3 for mathematics, and I hit enter. This Justin has 48. Justin 48. You can see here Justin with first 48. And here, because my formula is locked with dollar signs, I can just scroll down, hold and scroll down to see the result of everybody here. You can see this is the chemistry result. I can change this result to geography. You can see I need only to know the column number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below, if you put numbers here, geography is 5. I can here remove 3. I put 5. I put 5 for geography, and I scroll down to see, and you can see what I have here in geography. Yeah, this is geography, and whatever I make as a change, you can see here geography Justin has 38. If here put 40, you can see, you will see here how something changing. You can see you have 40 for Justin. You can see whatever changes that I can make. You can see 21. Yeah, this is Joseph. Let me see if I have Joseph. Here. I can just put 30. 30. You can see it is immediately changing. You can see whatever I make as change is here. It changed to in my formula. Yeah, this is how we just use normal VLOOKUP. And you can see here I'm just extracting this score here. I can just extract data from this sheet, and this one simplify whatever you are just doing, because it is time saving. You can see. And in the next video, we'll see how you can just use this VLOOKUP function to just connect the data from one sheet to another sheet, one sheet to another or just one workbook to another workbook. It is also very possible and very easy. You can use just a VLOOKUP to do that. Guys, this is very simple and this is very important. If you have different data, maybe you can just have more than 20, 25 just columns, and it's very difficult to extract the score or to know the data from everyone. But you can just use this VLOOKUP to extract the data of somebody that you want. Guys, see you next time.